Hey there, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something really special for you. The Turtle Wax 53409 Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Spray Coating, the best home ceramic coating for cars on the market. Now, you might be wondering why this ceramic spray coating is making waves in the automotive world. Well, let me tell you, it's all about that incredible shine and protection it offers for your car's paint. First things first, the application. It's as easy as it gets. Just spray it on a clean, dry car. You only need 1 or 2 sprays per panel. Then, spread it evenly with a microfiber cloth and buff it to a reflective shine. Simple, right? But here's where it gets exciting, the results. This ceramic spray coating is infused with super hydrophobic silicon oxide polymers, which means it repels water like a champ. Look at those water beads rolling off the surface. And the shine. It adds a brilliant mirror-like shine, enhancing the depth of color and finish. Your car will look like it just rolled out of the showroom, I promise. But wait, there's more. This coating offers long-lasting protection. It can withstand wash after wash and can last up to 6 months or more. That means you don't have to reapply constantly. And here's a pro tip. For the best performance, make sure your car's paint is free of oxidation and surface contaminants by using a clay bar or polish before applying. It can even be applied in direct sunlight. So, to sum it up, Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Spray Coating provides extreme water repellency, ultimate shine, and long-lasting protection. Plus, it's versatile and can be used on all exterior surfaces, except for soft-sided convertible tops. And the best part? It won't break the bank. This product offers fantastic value for money, and a little goes a long way. So, if you're looking to elevate your car's shine and protection, look no further. Turtle Wax 53409 Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Spray Coating is the real deal. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique, and remember to subscribe for more in-depth reviews of amazing products like this one. See you next time.